welcome to Crewe. This is a quick video tour of this new approved to use Leon Cupra. This is Leon Cupra in metallic paint, magnetic grey, and comes with the full LED headlights and also cruise control. This vehicle comes with a Cupra exclusive front and rear bumper, and we've also got the 19-inch Cupra machined alloy wheels. Got the LED strip indicator located on the side mirror, which is in black contrast, and it's a 5-door vehicle. This vehicle does come with parking sensors on the rear and at the front, and it is a 4-wheel drive as well. Got the twin exhaust pipe on the back, there and there. And inside you can see there's a nice large boot space as well. In the back we've got the full Alcantara interior with the black seats and the white bespoke trim. We've also got the carbon fibre effect detailing on the seats and the part leather inserts. We've got a nice amount of legroom and a fully electric window switches. This vehicle also comes with the fully digital cockpit, just there, and we've got the black leather sport flat base steering wheel, fully electric window switch access, and here we've got the touchscreen display, got access to the radio, navigation system, full link, and a few other different features there you can easily click on to view. Some dials just there with the black gloss effect, the gear selector, and also the electronic handbrake, so it's just there. Again, the front seats will coordinate with the back seats with the black Alcantara seats, and we do have the Cupra print just on the front of the seat. Lovely amount of space in this vehicle. It fits 5 people in very comfortably with lots of room. If you're interested in this vehicle, please feel free to pop over to Crewe, ask to speak with a member of our used cars sales team, or give us a call on 01270 864 430. Thanks very much for watching.